Welcome to Kivy with Case. Today you are going to learn how to insert images in your Kivy application, and on pressing a button it will display an image. During the session Kivy with Case, till now you have learned how to create a label in Kivy, how to add properties of a label, how to create a button in Kivy, how to create different types of layouts like box layout, grid layout, stack layout. And also you have learned how to create a moving object in Kivy. As all of you learned the above coding, so it will be easier to understand today's code what I have written for you. First of all, I have created all necessary elements like app, box layout, stack layout, button, label, image. Here my class name is my travel app. Under the build method, I have created a box layout. Then I have created a label. The label is added to the box layout. Then I have created a stack layout. Some buttons are created. The texts are Darjeeling, Tours, Gangtok. Some properties of buttons given. Buttons are added to the stack layout. We bind the onPress event of the button to a function called onButtonPress. When the button is pressed, the onButtonPress function is called and it will display the corresponding image to the window. Look that the onButtonPress method is correctly bound to each individual button like Darjeeling, Doers, Gangtok. All buttons are bound to the same onButtonPress method and they are all try to change the source of the self.image object. Here the image path has been given and the properties of the image has been given. Ensure that the paths to your image files are correct. The path should be relative to the location of your Python script or provide the full path. To verify that the image files exist in the specified paths, what you have to do? You have to go to the project folder, click on it, then right click, go to open in, go to Explorer, click on it, go to Python project 2 here and paste all of your PNG picture files here like I have pasted. Now you check in the left hand side, all the PNG files are showing. You have to be careful about that. The path to Darjeeling image, the path to Duars image, the path to Gangtok image with their actual paths to your specific images for each location. Like here, for Darjeeling it is d1.png, for Duars it is d2.png, for Gangtok it is d2.png. Otherwise, while you will click on button, it may display the wrong image. Now let's go to the main program. Stack layout is added to the box layout and the self.image also added to the box layout. Return to the box layout. At last, to display the corresponding images when the buttons are pressed, here print function is added. Now the code is ready to run. Let's run it. Very nicely it is working. Here you see that three buttons are created: Darjeeling, Duars, Gangtok, and one image is inserted here to the window. A label is created: Welcome to North Bengal and Sikkim Tourism. Now, if we press on the button Darjeeling, then it displayed its image, and when we click on Duars, then it displayed its image, and when clicking on Gangtok, it's displaying its image. In this way, you can customize your application according to your requirement. Hope it helped you. If you have any question, please drop in the comment box. Happy New Year program. Happy New Year 2024. Stay happy and healthy all over the year.